In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain to your GoHighLevel funnel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to avoid the most common pitfalls when connecting a subdomain for your funnel. Let's start inside your GoHighLevel account. From your main dashboard, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings. This is where all of your account level configuration lives, including your domains. If you don't see it right away, scroll down the menu. It's typically near the bottom. Inside Settings, choose Domains and URL Redirects. This section manages every domain or subdomain you connect to GoHighLevel, along with any forwarding or redirects you might use later. Opening this now ensures your funnel can be assigned a clean, branded web address. Next, click Connect a Domain. This begins a short guided process. GoHighLevel will ask what type of asset you want to attach the domain to. You'll see options such as funnel, website, store, blog, or webinar. Since we're connecting a subdomain for a funnel, select the funnel option and then click Connect. Picking the correct asset now helps GoHighLevel route traffic to the right place automatically. You'll be prompted to add your domain. Type your subdomain exactly as you want it to appear. For example, promoyourdomain.com. Use only the hostname, no HTTP or HTTPs, and no slashes. A quick tip here, make sure you're entering a subdomain, not the root domain, so you keep your main site intact while giving your funnel its own branded URL. When you're ready, click Continue. GoHighLevel will attempt to verify the connection and prepare SSL so your link loads securely. If your DNS is already pointed correctly at your registrar, verification can complete quickly. If not, you may see an on-screen prompt with the records you'll need to add. That's normal, and it simply means your DNS needs a quick update. Once those records are in place, give it a little time for the internet to catch up. Propagation can be fast, but sometimes it takes longer. After you click Continue, keep an eye out for confirmation inside the domains area. You should see that your new subdomain listed and associated with your funnel. From there, visiting your subdomain should load your funnel once DNS and SSL have finished settling. That's it. You clicked Settings, opened Domains and URL Redirects, chose Connect a Domain, selected Funnel, entered your subdomain, and clicked Continue. With that, your funnel now has a clean, professional subdomain ready to share.